Hello everyone and welcome to the session 4 of Unit 4 Estimation of Cost in Welding and Sheet Metal Shop. So let us discuss the numerical problem on the welding shop. So estimate the cost of the welding to weld two flat pieces of mild steel 50 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 1 centimeter size as shown in figure. So to an angle 90 degree by oxyacetylene gas welding. The welding is done on both sides. Neglect the edge preparation and assume cost of oxygen as rupees 60 per meter cube, cost of acetylene rupees 500 per meter cube, density of filler rod is 8 grams per centimeter cube, cost of the filler rod is 20 per kg, oxygen consumption is 0.8 meter cube per hour, acetylene consumption is 0.5 meter cube per hour, filler rod dia is 5 millimeter, length of the filler rod is 4.5 meter per meter of weld, welding speed is 20 minute per meter of weld. Welding is done on both sides. Welding is on longer edge of the plates. So longer edge is here is 50 centimeter, not on the 6 centimeter. So this 50 centimeter has to be done welded on both sides. So the total length will be 50 centimeter plus 50 centimeter, that will be 100 centimeter, that is nothing but 1 meter. 100 centimeter is nothing but 1 meter. The total length of weld is 1 meter. So the cost of oxygen is given in terms of meter cube. If it is done in terms of volume, so 1 meter cube of volume of oxygen costs rupees 60. Similarly, 500 rupees for acetylene. Density is for finding the weight. Cost of the filler rod is in terms of kg. So you have to find out the how much kg of filler rod is required by using the density and the diameter of the filler rod. So you have to calculate the area. Pi d square by 4 is the area of the filler rod multiplied by length of the filler rod required. Depending upon the length of the filler rod is mentioned here is 4.5 meter per meter of weld. That means you require 4.5 meter of filler rod if you weld for 1 meter. So our weld length is also 1 meter. That means we require 4.5 meter of filler rod. So using this length, the diameter, we can find out the volume multiplied by this density, that will give you the weight of the filler rod. The weight per kg is given here, so we can find out the cost. So welding speed is 20 minutes per meter of weld. That means you requires 20 minutes for welding 1 meter. So we require 20 minutes only because our weld length is 1 meter. So that means we require 20 minutes of welding. Total welding is 20 minutes. So let us discuss the problem. So total length of weld, as I mentioned, it is on the longer side 50 mm. Since it is on both sides, the total length of the weld will be 100 centimeter. That is nothing but we have converted into meter. So the time required for 100 centimeter is 20 minutes because it is mentioned in terms of welding speed in terms of meter. So our total length of weld is 1 meter. So we require 20 minutes for welding these two plates on both sides. The amount of oxygen consumed is at 0.8 meter cube per hour. So 0.8 meter cube per hour. So for 1 hour we require, if you weld for 1 hour we require 0.8 meter cube of oxygen, but our weld is not welding time is not 1 hour, it is just 20 minutes. So 20 minutes means we have to convert this into hour. So multiplied by 0.8, that will give you, we require 0.0266 meter cube of oxygen. So cost of the oxygen is rupees 60 per meter cube. So for you, if you consume 1 meter cube, we have to pay 60 rupees, but we have not consumed 1 meter cube, so it is less than 1 meter cube. So multiplied this by 60, 0.26 by 60, that is cost of acetylene oxygen is 16 rupees. Similarly, amount of the acetylene consumed is 20 by 60, converting this into minutes, hour. So multiplied by 0.5. So if you work it for 1 hour, then we require 0.5 meter cube, 0.5 meter cube of acetylene, but where our time is just 20 by 60, so multiplied by this, that will give, we require 1.67 meter cube of acetylene. So multiplied by time divided into the acetylene per meter cube consumption, that gives you 1.67 meter cube of acetylene is required. That means it is greater than 1 meter cube. So the cost of acetylene is 1.67, that is the requirement for our welding, multiplied by the cost of the acetylene per meter cube is 500. So we require 835 rupees, 835 meter cube of rupees 835 rupees we have to pay for acetylene. So length of the filler rod per 100 centimeter is 4.5 meter per meter of weld. So we are welding 1 meter, so we require 1 meter, 4.5 meter of 4.5 meter of filler rod, which is converted in centimeter because the density is given in centimeter. So you have to convert this filler rod the length into centimeter. So find out the area and volume and then multiplied it by density in order to find out the weight. So diameter of the filler rod is 5 millimeter, converted into centimeter. So pi d square by 4 is the area of the filler rod, multiplied by length. We require 450 centimeter of length, multiplied by density, that gives you the weight in terms of grams. So this density is also given in the problem. So total requirement of the filler rod is 0.70685 kg. So cost of the filler rod is given as rupees 20 per kg. So we don't require 1 kg, which is less than rupees 20. Then multiplied this 0.7068 into 20, that is 14.14. The cost has to be paid for filler rod. So add all the expenses, the expense of oxygen, the expense of acetylene, the expense of the filler rod, that will give you the total cost of material, that is 865.14. That is the total answer. Next, move on to the next problem. Estimate the welding material cost for making an rectangular frame of gauge 2 meter into 1 meter from an angle iron size 30 mm 30 mm into 5 mm with the following data. Oxygen consumption is 0.5 meter cube per hour, which is available at rupees 12 per meter cube. So if you weld for 1 hour, we require 0.5 meter cube of oxygen, which is available at a cost of rupees 12 per meter cube. So acetylene consumption is 0.5 meter cube per hour, available at rupees 40 per meter cube. The welding speed is 4 meter per hour. That means in 1 hour we can weld 4 meter. The filler rod cost is rupees 15 per kg. The length of the filler rod dia is 2.5 millimeter is 3.4 meter per meter of welding. That means we weld for 1 meter, we require 3.4 meter of filler rod. Density of filler rod is 7 grams per centimeter cube. Welding is done on both sides. So this is the gate which is given in the problem. So we have to prepare a gate of 200 meter into 1 meter by using a plate of size 30 mm 30 mm into 5 mm. So this is 30 mm here, and this is 30 mm its width and 5 mm thickness. So this thickness is 5 mm. So the total length of the weld. So we have to, for preparing the gates, we have to make the edge preparation like this. So we are making rectangle, so it is must to prepare the edge here like this. You have to cut exactly 45 degree here and all the edges like this. 45 degree cut or angular cut you have to make in each plates. So so total length of the weld should be the length of the AB. If you consider this as length AB, so length of AB, then in the side view it is side view, then the length of AC. The total weld in one corner would be the length of AB and the length of AC. The total length equals to 4 corners. We have, this is the total length for one corner is AB plus AC. The AC length is 30, we know, but we don't know the length of AB. We have to find out the length of the AB. If you add AB and AC, that will give you the total length in one corner. We have 4 such corners, 1 2 3 4 such corners. So multiplied by 4, that will give you the total length in the total length of weld in all the four corners. So in order to find out the length AB, we have to use the trigonometry here. So just create a triangle here. So like this, if you make a D here, ABD, triangle ABD, this BD length is 30, so it is given already, and the length of AD is also 30, which is also given here, 30. All the dimension is 30 here. So if you take a right angle triangle ABD, we have to find out the length of AB, which is a hypotenuse. So this length AD is 30 and length BD is also 30, which is given. So in order to get the AB, we know that the hypotenuse square equals to opposite square by adjacent square, and opposite square plus adjacent square. The length AB we need to find out. So AB equals to adjacent is also 30, and hypotenuse adjacent also 30, and opposite is also 30. So 30 square plus 30 square, that will gives you the 42.4, that is the length of hypotenuse. So the length AB is 42.4. So this length AB is 42.4 plus this length is 30, that is 72.4 mm is the length of the weld in single corner. So we have four such corners. So 4 multiplied by 72.4 so welding is done on, since the welding is done on both sides, front side and back side. So the total corners will become 4 plus 4 for front, 4 for backward. So 8 corners. So 8 into 72.4, that is 579.2 millimeter. Since all dimension is given in millimeter, so this length of the total length of the weld will be 579.2 mm, that is 57.92 centimeter or 0.58 meter. So you have to convert into meter because all the dimension, all other requirement is given in terms of meter. So the 0.58 meter is the total length of the weld for making such rectangular gates. So the time required for welding 0.58 meter is, so it is mentioned here that the speed of the welding speed is 4 meter per hour. That means in 1 hour we can weld 4 meter, but we need to weld less than 4 meter here. So we require less than 1 hour. So how to calculate means 1 divided by 1 into 0.58 divided by welding speed, that is you obtained by cross multiplication. We have discussed these things in earlier. So 60 divided by 4 into 0.58, that will gives you 8.7 minutes. So in terms of minutes it is, in terms of hour means you have to again multiply it into divided by 60, that will gives you in hour. So if you remove this 60, that will gives you in hour. So 0.58 divided by 4, that will directly gives you in terms of hour. But why you have added this 60 means in order to give it in minutes. So 8.7 minute is required for welding this 0.58 meter. So oxygen consumption is 0.5 meter cube per hour. So if you weld for 1 hour, we require 0.5 meter cube of oxygen, but our welding is length is time is only 8.7 minutes. So again we are converting 8.7 divided by 60, that will give you in hour, multiplied by 0.5, that is the oxygen consumption. We require 0.0725 meter cube of oxygen. The cost of oxygen is rupees 12 per meter cube. That means if you consume 1 meter cube of oxygen, we have to pay 12 rupees. We need just this much of oxygen. So this much of oxygen multiplied by cost of the oxygen per meter cube is given, it gives you the requirement of oxygen cost. So that is 0.87. Similarly, the acetylene consumption is 0.5 meter cube per hour. So 8.7 divided by 60, that will give you in hour the welding hour requirement, multiplied by 0.5, that is the acetylene consumption. That gives you similar 0.0725 meter cube of acetylene is required, multiplied by cost of acetylene per meter cube. That will give you the cost of acetylene rupees 2.9 is the cost of acetylene. The length of the filler rod at 3.4 meter per meter of welding. That means if you weld for 1 meter, we require 3.4 meter of filler rod, but our welding length is only 0.58 meter. So 0.58 multiplied by 3.4, that is the requirement. 1.972 meter of filler rod is required. Convert this into centimeter, because in order to find out the weight, because the density is given in centimeter per grams per centimeter cube, you have to convert this length of the filler rod in centimeter. So that is 197.2 centimeter of filler rod is required. Calculate the weight by multiplying volume into density. Find out the volume of the filler rod. Pi d square by 4 is the area multiplied by length and multiplied by density, that gives you the filler rod. So pi d square is given as 2.5 millimeter. Convert this into centimeter, that will be 0.25 centimeter. Pi 0.25 square by 4 into length requirement is 197.2 multiplied by density 7, which is given in the problem. 678 grams of filler rod is required. Divide this by 1000, that will give you the kg requirement of the filler rod. So we require 0.0678 kg of the filler rod. The cost of the filler rod is ₹15 per kg, but we require only this much of filler rod multiplied by 15, that will give you the cost of the filler rod ₹1.017. So the total welding cost will be the cost of oxygen, the cost of acetylene, the cost of the filler rod, that is 4.787 is the total cost for this welding. So next problem is, two 1 meter long mild steel plates of 10 mm thickness are to be welded by lap joint. The 6 mm electrode. Estimate the cost of welding the following data. Current used is 250 amperes, voltage is 30 volt, welding speed is 10 meters per hour. That means in 1 hour we can weld 10 meter. Electrode used is 0.4 kg per meter of welding. That means if you weld for 1 meter, we require 0.4 kg of welding. So labor charges is ₹1 per hour. Power charges is 0.20 kilowatt hour. Cost of electrode is ₹5 per kg. Efficiency of the machine is 60. So this is arc welding. So in arc welding, we have power requirement, power charges, we have electrode charges, and we have labor charges. So the power, in terms of electric terms, we know that power equals to voltage into current. P equals to V into I, where V is the voltage, I is the current. If the efficiency of the machine is given, then that you have to multiply it by divide it by efficiency in order to get the power. So the cost of electrode. The cost of electrode is given here, the 0.4 kg per meter of welding. That means if you weld for 1 meter, you require 0.4 kg of electrode. So cost of electrode is given as ₹5 per kg. So the two 1 meter long mild steel plates 10 mm thickness are to be welded by lap joint, 6 mm electrode. So 1 meter long means that our plate length is 1 meter, that is welding length is also 1 meter. So welding length is, since the welding length is 1 meter, here is given that the electrode used is 0.4 kg per meter of welding. So our length of welding is also 1 meter, so we require 0.4 kg of electrode. The cost of electrode is given as ₹5 per kg. So we require just 0.4 kg of electrode. So 0.4 multiplied by 5, that is ₹2 is required for electrode. Then labor cost. Labor cost you can see here. It is given as ₹1 per hour. The welding speed is 10 meter per hour. It is mentioned here, 10 meter per hour. That means in 1 hour we can weld 10 meter, but we have to weld only 1 meter. Our requirement of welding is 1 meter. In 1 hour we can weld 10 meter, but we have to weld only 1 meter. So time required for 1 meter welding is 1 by 10. This is obtained by nothing but cross multiplication. So 1 by 10 hour is required, because in 1 hour we can weld 10 meter, but we need to weld only 1 meter. So that means 1 by 10 hour is required for welding this plate. Labor cost is ₹1 per hour. So ₹1 per hour we have to pay. If you weld for 1 hour, we have to pay him ₹1, but he has welding, he has taking only 1 by 10 hours, so 1 multiplied by 1 by 10, that is rupees 0.1. We need to pay the labor cost as rupees 0.1 rupees. The power charges, the power consumption is given by the formula voltage into power current multiplied divided by efficiency of the machine. So voltage is 250 volt, 30 is the ampere current, 0.6 is the efficiency of the machine. Watt, so 1000 12,500 watt power consumption is required. Divide it by 1000, that will give you kilowatt. In terms of kilowatt, 12.5 kilowatt power consumption is there. The power consumption for 1 meter of welding equals to so we require so 12 kilowatt. How much hour we are welding? This is kilowatt, power kilowatt. So how much hour we are welding, which has to multiply. If you weld for 1 hour, then this power consumption will be 12.5 kilowatt hour. But we are not welding for 1 hour, so we are welding for 1 by 10 hours. So then if you multiply this, this will become 1.25 kilowatt hour power consumption is there. So power consumption will be 1.25 kilowatt hour. So the power charges is rupees 0.2 per kilowatt hour. So we have to pay rupees 0.2 if you use the power for 1 kilowatt hour. So 1.25 is the our kilowatt hour. So multiplied by 0.2, that is 0.25, it is the power charges. So the total welding cost would be the cost of electrode, the cost of labor, the cost of power. So total welding cost is rupees 2.35. So hope you understood this problem. Thank you for watching this session.